Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Amazon Flex app on Android. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're wondering how to exactly download the Amazon Flex app here and maybe start delivering or applying for their platform, well, this one is kind of complicated. Now, usually, in order for you to download apps, you just need to go to Google Play Store here and just search for Amazon Flex app. But sometimes the Amazon Flex app may not appear immediately on your screen. So what should you do? Well, the thing with this one is sometimes this is weird. So you need to go to their website and you want to go and just go to a very specific page. So first things first, you want to open up any browser and you just need to type in Amazon Flex into your search bar. And you want to go to their official website, or you could just type in flex.amazon.com. Now, inside their website, what you need to do is you want to go and look for the Deliver Now option. Let's go and just click or press on it. And you want to look for the option here that says Get on Google Play or download at the App Store. Now, the thing with their app, sometimes it's hidden in the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, or the App Store here. So sometimes you need to go to their website. So once you do see that, go and click on the appropriate option for you. So if you have an Android device, go and choose the download Google Play. If you have an iPhone, you want to go and just choose the App Store option here. But yeah, in here, you want to go and just click on download, and that should install the app inside your device. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.